Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered what makes a website rank higher in search engine results? Well, today we are diving into the world of link building in SEO. Don't worry, this isn't just for tech wizards. I'll break it down in simple terms just for you. I am Hemant Sharma, the founder at Adschoolmaster. So what exactly is link building? Imagine the internet as a giant metropolis with millions of websites scattered around. Link building is like building highways between these websites. These highways are called links and they play a crucial role in determining a website's popularity and visibility. When search engines like Google analyze a website, they consider how many other reputable websites are linking to it. These links act as votes of confidence, indicating that the website is a credible and trustworthy source of information. The more high quality links a website has, the more likely it is to earn a top spot in search results. Now you might be wondering how these links are acquired. Well, these are several strategies for link building. One common method is reaching out to other website owners and influencers, politely asking them to link back to your website's content. Another approach is creating engaging, shareable content that naturally attracts links from other websites. It's like creating something so awesome that everyone wants to share it with their friends. It's important to remember that link building isn't about quantity, but quality. Search engines prioritize links from reputable and authoritative websites over spammy or relevant ones. So it's crucial to build relationships with other trustworthy websites relevant to your niche. Now you might be wondering, why is link building so important? Well, search engines use links as a major factor in determining a website's authority. If your website has authoritative links, it can establish itself as an authority in its field, attracting more traffic and potential customers. Think of link building as a recommendation from one website to another, just like how you trust recommendation from a friend over a stranger. Search engines trust websites with strong link profiles. So by building these links, you are essentially telling search engines that your website is worthy of attention. To enhance your link building strategy, it's important to focus on producing valuable, shareable content that naturally attracts links. From informative blog posts to engaging videos, creating content that offers value to your audience is key. Moreover, keep in mind that link building takes time and patience. It's all about building relationships with other website owners and earning those links organically. Don't be tempted by shady practices that promise quick results, so they can actually harm your website's reputation. So there you have it, the world of link building in SEO demystified. Remember, it's all about building connections, creating value, and establishing your website as an authority in its field. Now you go out there and conquer the search rankings. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.